Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up to get notified every time I post a new video. So I recently ordered a camera because we're going on vacation soon. So I wanted a pet cam. So this is what I got. It's the Tekken TC100 Tekken Cam 1080 HD Wi-Fi indoor camera. Sounds really fancy. So I'm gonna move the camera to a different angle and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna, we need the microphone over here so you can hear me. I'm gonna start by opening it. Okay, switched angles again. I hope that this angle is good. So right here we just have the quick start guide. Thanks, you can choose one as your gift. Woo! Okay, so let's start by opening this up. I'm pretty sure this is the actual camera. Ooh, here we go. Okay. Okay, so this is the camera. Honestly, it seems really nice. It's very pretty and it's like small, which I like. It's not like huge. Maybe it's the cord. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's the cord. And, oh, does this seriously come with... Okay. This is a stick, so you can stick it to the wall, I think. Oh, this is moves. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know that. Okay, so we just have a cord wall plug. Okay, so I'm going to start off by plugging this in I'm gonna download the app and then plug it in, and then I will meet you in the playroom. Okay, so I spelled the network name wrong. I spelled it wrong, so on the password. That was loud. Okay. Now it says please wait, so I'm going to stop the video and then come back to the device name. Pet Cam is what I'm going to name it, obviously. Okay, so wait, I just created it. Oh yeah, camera. Pet Cam, so I'm going to click that. Oh wow. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. How are you, baby bunnies?
How are you, baby?
Okay. Okay. Okay, well, it's frozen, so I'm gonna go back. Why is it red? Why is it red? See? We're good. Okay, let's go in now. Oh, I can see them! Okay, I'm gonna do a little screen recording so you guys can... Okay, so as you can see right here on the screen, this is what my screen looks like. So if I want to speak, I can say, "Hi bunnies, how are you doing?" Okay, so I was way too close. So I'm not going to do that again. Hello, bunnies.
Hello, Bunny.
So you can see it works, but I was too close. So also, if I want to, like if they're doing something super cute, I can take a photo. Access to all photos. Bam! Photo taken. Okay. And then if I go in like this, I do kind of wish I could scroll around the room if I wanted to see, like over here, if I heard something and I wanted to look at the hamster, I could adjust the camera without being home. But I think I'm gonna... There we go. So now I can see everything. I actually really like this, so if it's the night and I hear a weird noise, I can check up on them. Also, of course, if I am gone, this works. So I'm gonna go over here and let me know if you guys hear anything on the camera. Hi, baby bunnies.
Hi, baby bunny. Hi, baby bunny.
Okay. So this way, I can hear noises that are coming through the camera. On this. So yeah, I think it's actually really cool. I really like this. Like as you can see, has a little bit, like a little bit of lag, but that's okay. Sorry, I'm happy that this is working. So, plus there can be multiple cameras around too. So, say I wanted to set one up, like a night camera for my hamster, I could do that. Or if I wanted to set one up, say my bunnies were free roam or something, and I wanted to set one up under the couch, so when they're under the couch I can see where they are and make sure that they're safe. So I'm going to test out the night vision tonight and let you guys know how it works, but I love it. I don't know what 30.6 Celsius is because that's confusing, but yeah, this is really cool. I love this pet cam. I can basically watch them whenever I need to, and I love it. It's like so easy to do, and I can hear them, and it's just awesome. So yeah, honestly, I would give this 4.2 out of 5. The reason why it's not like 5-star or anything is because one, it was extremely difficult to set up. It wasn't like, oh yeah, quick and go. And then there are two things that I kind of wish were a little different. I wish it didn't have as much lag as it does, and that I could move around the camera, because there's some cameras online like you can get as well that like with your finger you can rotate it around, because if your bunny, say, is free roam and goes under this table, but your camera is sitting like right there and it was facing right here and it saw your bunny and then it's gone, you could rotate the camera and see under the table to make sure they were fine. I just think that would be helpful, but yeah, I really like this camera, and right now I'm going to put in footage from the night cam. So yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Remember, if we get to 100 subscribers by the 4th of July, we will have a Q&A video that month. And then that will be fun. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. And I hope that you found this video useful if you were thinking of getting this pet camera. Okay, bye!